Welcome. In this video, I'm going to show you how to create and send an invoice in Stripe. So let's get started. First, you will find yourself at the Stripe homepage. What you want to do is you want to navigate to payments and you want to navigate to invoices. Here in invoices, once it's loaded up, you want to click this button on the right side, which says create an invoice. Just simply click that and you will begin first by entering an email. So I'm just going to enter a random email. And once you enter the email, you have the option to add this as a regular customer. So we can just click this and it will ask you to fill out the name. So I'm just going to say customer, email, language, English, and we're going to save the customer. Perfect. Now, the next step here is to choose what item you are selling them. You can either use one of your existing products, or you can create a new product simply by clicking the create new, and here you will type in YouTube helpful tutorial. I'm not going to charge you. I'm just going to charge you oh, that's a little too much. I'm just going to charge you €1 for that, and we click save. Perfect. Now we've added the YouTube helpful tutorial. It costs us €1. Here for memo, you can add whatever you want. You can be like, hey, here you go. And you can see that it's going to show up somewhere here. There we go, a memo. And then here for the payments, you want to decide whether you want to automatically charge a payment method on file, or you want to email invoice to customer with link to payment page. So you can actually email this invoice to the customer and they can click the button, pay this invoice, and this money is going to go directly to you. So you can set the due date here. Let's say that this is going to be for tomorrow. So we're going to go like 20th of October. Perfect. And then once everything is ready here, you can check it out how it looks in a PDF. It's going to have your logo here as well. And yeah, this is how the payment page is going to look like as well. So you have all the previews here in Stripe. Once everything is complete, you simply click the review invoice and then you just click send. That's how you create an invoice in Stripe. If you found this video helpful, please make sure to drop a like and subscribe to the channel. Thank you for watching.